Welcome back to Improve Autos. If you're looking for an investment that holds its value better than most stocks, this is it. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner is finally here, completely redesigned for the first time in 15 years. Legendary reliability and the rugged confidence needed for any long-term adventure. This new generation keeps the toughness you trust, but adds the comfort and fuel economy you now need. Let's talk about the biggest reason anyone buys a 4Runner: longevity. These vehicles routinely hit 250,000 miles without complaint. For the retiree or long-distance traveler, that's priceless peace of mind. More importantly, the 4Runner has the best resale value in its class. When you buy this vehicle, you're not spending money, you're banking equity. It's one of the wisest, most practical automotive purchases you can make. The design is still boxy, and that's a good thing. The squared-off windows and upright windshield mean excellent visibility, reducing blind spots and making the drive easier. The iconic power rear window is back, perfect for loading groceries or small items without wrestling the large liftgate. Performance and efficiency. The biggest update is under the hood. Toyota replaced the old V6 with the modern 2.4-liter iForce Max turbo hybrid engine. Don't focus on the speed, focus on the torque. This engine delivers massive torque right off the line, perfect for effortless towing, climbing steep grades, or confidently accelerating onto the highway. Plus, it's far more fuel efficient than the old engine, saving you money on those long retirement road trips. The new 8-speed automatic transmission is smoother and quieter than the previous generation. Interior and comfort. Toyota listened to its loyal owners. While the large digital screens are here, the important controls remain physical buttons and dials, easy to use with gloves on and simple to adjust without taking your eyes off the road. The new platform translates to a quieter cabin, reducing driver fatigue on long drives. Most importantly, Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 is standard, offering the highest level of driver assistance technology for a complete peace of mind. The lineup offers choices for every lifestyle. The limited trim is the most comfortable, featuring upgraded suspension and luxury amenities. The TRD Off-Road is there for those who need true capability for remote camping or getting to that hidden cabin. We expect the starting price to be around $43,000, reflecting the massive engine and technology upgrade. It's an investment, but a worthwhile one. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner is a success because it didn't forget its past. It blends legendary reliability and outstanding resale value with modern comfort and efficiency. It is built to last your retirement and beyond. So the big question, is this the perfect long-term investment vehicle for your next big adventure? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos.